base at it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bass Addict, and I'm back with another video, y'all. In this video, I got some more bad news, unfortunately, man. Lately, things have not been going my way. In the last video with the audio pipe amp, y'all seen that that the amp blew up on me, which wasn't good. So I got a $200 paperweight. And in this video, kind of a rookie mistake, but I'm pretty sure all y'all can relate to what happened to me, man. And I'm gonna show y'all that later on in the video, exactly what happened and what I did. And like I say, I'm pretty sure it has happened to probably all of the bass heads, man, at least 1 or 2 times. So kind of a common thing, but we gonna fix that problem. I'm gonna show y'all the problem. We're gonna fix the problem in the same video. I'm actually on my way uptown now to make a quick run, and we're gonna pick up what I need to fix the problem, and we're gonna go from there, y'all. So if y'all interested in seeing any type of content in that nature, if you haven't, make sure you go and like, comment, share, subscribe, smash that notification bell, y'all. We in here with another one. It's kind of a windy day, but it looks good outside, so we're gonna make the best of it on this one, y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. We in here with another one, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so I made it home, and it's time to show y'all what the hell I done messed up and did, man. Like I say, luck ain't been on my side, man. If y'all hear winds, it's pretty windy out. Luck haven't been on my side in these last couple of weeks, but I can't complain because that's just life, man. It is what it is, for real, for real. But let me show y'all what I done fucked up and did, and what we got to fix in today's video, man. All right, so let me make sure, and bam. I know y'all see that, man. Yep, that's right, y'all. We got a crack, well, a hole in the surround, man. So I'm gonna go in the house. I'm gonna show y'all what I got to repair it, man. It only cost like $3, but I think it said like 24 hours for it to cure. But it don't cure hard. It cure hard, but it's still rubbery. So it'll be the perfect fix. Will it be the best looking? I don't know. I'm gonna try my best to make it look unnoticeable as possible. But what I'm gonna do is set the camera up. We're gonna pull that sub out, unhook that sub, and we're gonna put it out and inspect it a little more, man. Y'all tune in.
Yes, sir. Hold on.
All right, guys, so we got the subwoofer out of the box, and as y'all can see right here, yeah, that was totally my fault. I take full responsibility for that. But like I say, shit happens, y'all. Shit really does happen. So this is what I got to try to repair it, man. So it's E6000. If y'all should know what that is, man. It dries hard, it do damn good, but it's still kind of like rubbery, which wouldn't hinder the surrounding at all. So that's the plan, man. We're gonna put some E6000 on the thing. We'll let it dry.
Yes, sir. Hold on.
guys, so we're gonna let that dry for a minute. I got everything leveled. Yeah, it look a little rough now, but it's gonna look better once it starts drying and healing. So we're gonna get that time to heal, and maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours. But I know it's gonna be dark on me by then, so y'all be prepared for that. But we gonna let that dry. Hopefully that work. If not, we gonna have to try something different, man. So y'all stay tuned to see what this thing turn out like, man. Hope it turned out good, y'all. Okay guys, so it's been like an hour or so, maybe 2. It's drying pretty nice. Still got a long way to go, man. I'm let it fully cure. I'll probably go in the house and get some more of it. You get a little more, and I see a little small, y'all see the little small cracks and holes and stuff. I'm gonna put a little more on to try to fill that up. And once I do that, y'all, like I said, I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and we gonna pick back up on the video in the morning, y'all. So if y'all rocking with me this far, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? If you ain't, hit the subscription button, leave me a comment or whatever. Like I say, it's unfortunate that I gotta end up putting a hole in the surround, but like I said at the beginning of the video, it happened to a lot of us, man. You know, it just come with it, man. Sometimes you fuck up and make a mistake, and that's just one of them, y'all. So I'm just gonna repair that. Then tomorrow, we're gonna let it sit all night, and tomorrow we're gonna put it back in, and we're gonna pretty much see if there's a difference, because when it was playing, man, you could feel all the goddamn air. Like, it was losing a lot of air pressure, man. So y'all know that's not good. So tomorrow we're gonna put it back in the box. We're gonna turn it on, see what it do, man. But this your boy Bass at it, man. I holler at y'all early in the morning, cause right now it's getting dark, the sun going down, and it actually cold as shit right here where I'm at, y'all. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all in the AM, man, when this thing finna dry, and we're gonna hook it back up, see what it do, man. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me too, y'all. Let's get it, man. On the road to 2K, baby. Let's go. All right, guys. Same video, different day, man. Y'all already know what's up, man. Let's check this thing out and see what it turned out like, y'all. Let's see, did the E6000 hold it? Then we're gonna put it in the box. We're gonna put some volume on it, and we're gonna see what it do, y'all. Let's check this thing out. See, that's why I was telling y'all about how I leave a little white resin or something like that. This is a little, I mean, it ain't bad. It ain't bad at all. Let me pull it back so y'all can see. Yeah, focus. So y'all can see. Okay, guys. So it actually turned out better than I was expecting. Next, what we about to do is throw it in the enclosure. The next clip y'all gonna see is gonna be in the enclosure, and we're gonna play some music on it and see what that E6000 hold, you know, doing the excursion and all the other good stuff. And they're gonna pretty much wrap up this video. You know what I'm saying? I'm working on another video as well, so they're gonna pretty much wrap this up, man. I had another video dropping tomorrow evening. This was gonna drop this evening, sometime today. But yeah, let's throw it in the box and see what it do.
Makes me food without milk.
Okay, guys, so the police just pulled up on me, man. I'm out here resealing the box and all the other stuff, which ain't got nothing to do with this video, but you know what I'm saying? I'm just resealing the box, fixing all my air holes that I found in the box. And the police just pulled up on me and told me the neighbors called them on me again. So I got to find a new spot, y'all. But if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure you drop a like on it, you know what I'm saying? If y'all got any type of suggestions or whatever, I'm open to all that. If y'all just joined the channel or just found the channel, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscription button. We going up, man. You know what I'm saying? On the road to 2K right now. We just hit the sub. It sounds wonderful. I would give y'all one more song, but I can't do it, man. The folk gonna end up trying to get us out the goddamn neighborhood, man. I got to find another demo spot. I got to find a testing spot for sure. This is like the second or third time they didn't call the police on us. And I don't want to disturb the peace, you know what I'm saying? I'm all about keeping the peace, but hey, I mean, I got a base channel, y'all, so I got to try to find a spot to do what I do, man. But with that being said, I'm checking out with another one, man. This is boy Base at it, man. We are out. It's your boy Base at it. Like, comment, share, subscribe.